Imagine stepping into a world where history comes alive, where the richness of heritage mingles with the excitement of discovery. Welcome to the Ingersoll Cheese and Agricultural Museum, nestled in the heart of the dairy capital of Canada. The museum traces its roots back to 1977, when it opened with the recreation of a 19th century cheese factory. In Ingersoll, cheese isn't just a topping, it's our foundation. What started as a museum built to honor our town's cheese history has grown into a small community of buildings that celebrates the town's larger history. As you step inside the main building, you're greeted by local history exhibits that breathe life into the past. With a collection of over 45,000 artifacts, explore the ever-changing temporary exhibits, ensuring a fresh experience with every visit. And don't miss the awe-inspiring wood carvings by world-famous Wilson Johnston, a spectacle that will leave you mesmerized. Our gift shop is a treasure trove of local flavors, featuring an array of exquisite cheeses that tell their own tale. Venture further and discover a village frozen in time. Travel through eras at our schoolhouse, witnessing the evolution of education. Unleash your inner explorer at the blacksmith shop, where the clang of metal and sparks of creation transport you to a time of craftsmanship. And if luck is on your side, catch the mesmerizing dance of our blacksmith in action. Wander over to Bowman Barn, where farm to table takes center stage. Immerse yourself in the rhythms of rural life at Sherbrooke Barn, where historical farm equipment paints a vivid picture of progress through the ages. And the highlight of it all? A tour of our replica cheese factory. Journey through the very heart of our cheese heritage, where the art of crafting cheese is celebrated in all its mouth-watering glory. Keep an eye out for QR codes throughout the museum, adding a modern twist to your adventure. Outside our main building, discover an outdoor picnic pavilion and Canada's one and only cheese-themed playground. Follow the path to find the Ingersoll Creative Arts Centre, an accessible playground, vibrant splash pad, sports fields, and the bustling Victoria Park Community Centre. Just a stone's throw from the 401, nestled at 290 Harris Street, the Ingersoll Cheese and Agricultural Museum is not just a destination, it's a celebration of our town's rich history and vibrant culture. Get ready for a slice of history, a dollop of fun, and a good time for all. Stop by the Ingersoll Cheese and Agricultural Museum today.